Hello, dear friends. Today I have prepared an interesting test with the traffic rules for you. Is the driver of a white car allowed to enter an intersection on a green flashing traffic signal if there is a traffic jam behind the intersection and he needs to stop at the intersection? Answer choices. 1. It is permissible to drive into the intersection because a green flashing traffic signal does not prohibit traffic. 2. It is forbidden to drive into the intersection. 30 seconds to think. Write your answer in the comments. The correct answer is number 2. It is forbidden to drive into the intersection. Subscribe to the channel. Like and share the video with your friends. How should the driver of a black car, for which the green traffic signal has turned on? Answer choices. 1. Give way only to pedestrians who are completing their movement across the roadway. 2. Give way only to a white car that is completing its movement through the intersection. 3. Give way to a white car and pedestrians who are completing through the intersection. 30 seconds to think. Write your answer in the comments. Correct answer number 3. Give way to a white car and pedestrians completing the intersection. What should the driver of the blue car do in the given situation when the green signal of the traffic light, which allows movement, is turned on? Answer options. 1. Give way to the pedestrian to allow him to finish crossing. 2. Signal the pedestrian and start moving, forcing the pedestrian back to the middle of the roadway. 3. Start moving, safely avoiding the pedestrian. 30 seconds to think. Post your answer in the comments. The correct answer is number 1. Give way to the pedestrian to allow him to finish crossing. What should the driver of a black car do when the traffic light turns green? Answer options. 1. Give way to a white car that is completing its movement through the intersection. 2. Start moving without giving way to the white car. 30 seconds to think. Write your answer in the comments. The correct answer is number 1. Give way to the white car that is completing its movement through the intersection. Who will pass this intersection first? Answer options. 1. Green and yellow cars. 2. Blue car. 30 seconds to think. Write your answer in the comments. The correct answer is number 1, green and yellow cars. What should you do when turning left in this situation? Answer options. 1. Give way to the oncoming car. 2. Pass first. 30 seconds to think. Write your answer in the comments. The correct answer is number 1. Give way to oncoming cars. You are the driver of the blue car. How should you act in this situation? Moving straight ahead? Answer options. 1. Give way to the oncoming car and then pass the intersection. 2. Pass the intersection first. 30 seconds to think. Write your answer in the comments. The correct answer is number 2. Go through the intersection first. In the given situation, in the absence of priority signs, which vehicle will pass the intersection first? Answer options. 1. The red car. 2. Green car. 3. Your car. 30 seconds to think. Write your answer in the comments. The correct answer is number 2, green car. In this situation, you're the driver of a passenger car. You have the advantage. Answer options. 1. At both intersections, you have no advantage at all. 2. At both intersections. 3. Only at the second intersection. 4. Only at the first intersection. 30 seconds to think about it. Post your answer in the comments. The correct answer is number 2, at both intersections. Should the driver of a car, turning right at an intersection, give way to a cyclist who is moving straight ahead in the opposite direction? Answer options. 1. He should not. 2. Must always. 3. Must if the cyclist is traveling in a bike lane. Write your answers below in the comments below the video. Correct answer number 2, must always. Should the driver of a car give way to a bicyclist in this situation? Answer options. 1. He should not, because the cyclist is on a bike lane. 2. He should not, because he is moving at a traffic signal that allows traffic. 3. Should. You have 30 seconds to choose the correct option. Write your answer in the comments below the video. Correct option number 3. Does the driver of a car have to give way to pedestrians when turning right or left at a given intersection? Answer options. 1. You should not give way. 2. Must give way when turning in either direction. 3. Must give way only when turning left. 4. Must give way only when turning right. The correct answer is number 2. Must give way when turning in any direction. Who will break the rules by making a U-turn? A test for knowledge of traffic rules. Maneuvers on the road should be safe. To turn around, change the lane, and so on should be so as not to put other road users at risk. A large part of the traffic rules is devoted to this, but do you remember all the relevant rules well? In the picture with the conditions, we see 2 passenger cars, red and blue. The drivers of both cars intend to turn around at the intersection. Here are the answers to the question. Which one of them will violate the traffic rules? 1. The driver of the red car. 2. The driver of the blue car. 3. Both will break the rules. 4. Both will not break the rules. You have 30 seconds. Think about it and write your answer in the comments. The correct answer variant is the first one, driver of the red car. Share the video with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and like the video. Traffic test. 90% of drivers cannot solve this problem correctly. What is the order of separation at the traffic circle in the situation shown in the picture? Answer options. 1. Red car, bus, taxi. 2. Taxi, bus, red car. 3. Bus, taxi, red car. 4. Red car, taxi, bus. You have 30 seconds. Think and write your answer in the comments. The correct answer is number 2, taxi, bus, red car. A traffic test about a traffic circle. Who will go through first? Which driver will pass the traffic circle first in the situation shown in the picture? Answer options. 1. Red car. 2. Taxi. 3. Green car. You have 30 seconds. Think and write your answer in the comments. Share the video with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and like the video. Correct answer number 2, taxi.